Hi guys, I just woke up. It's like seeing an ex, right? So literally I've been missing in action for a few weeks now because life happened. And nakakaano din kasi kayo guys, nakakatampo din kasi kayo pag sinabi kong comment down below. Comment below, di kayo nagko-comment. Tapos magme-message kayo na namimiss. Wala talagang nakamiss. Anyway, ay, oh no, sorry. Anyway, I just wanted to tell you guys na I will try coming back to YouTube now. Ano kasi, maraming nangyari in the past few weeks in my life. Like, life literally happened. It flashed in front of my eyes. Tama ba? Let's not talk about it now. If you're wondering, what is the agenda for today's vlog? Well, my family decided to have a bonding over a pickleball family tournament. I don't know what you call it, but yes, magpi-pickleball kami because pickleball has been on trend lately, diba? Like, I am so happy people, especially Filipinos, are starting to invest in sports, in hiking, active lifestyle in general, diba? Kasi, fun fact, did you know that according to PSA, ischemic heart disease is the number one leading cause of death here in the Philippines. Anyway, enough of the nerdy things, enough of the nerdy chit-chat. Let's get ready. Maghihilamos lang ako, magsa-sunscreen, toothbrush. Ayusin natin yung hair natin kasi it's so messy as of the moment. Like, literally, I have 1 hour of sleep, you guys. Pero babawi ako ng sleep mamaya while working. And paano ko gagawin yon? It's magic. It's magic. Don't worry. I will finish all my tasks on time. So, let's go. I'm gonna show you what will I bring sa pickleball namin tonight. This is my gym bag. Hindi siya masyadong malaki, di rin siya masyadong maliit. So, first, battery packs for the camera. Lighting na in case na masyadong madilim doon. Yung case ng camera dito, yung phone, yung water, and meron pa ako na kalimutan guys. Face towel ko na gagamitin. So, kukuha ko lang siya sa taas. And then yung fan. Kasi, open area naman doon guys. Hindi naman siya mainit, pero in case lang. Another life update. I sold my Kobo Clara for Kobo Libra Color kasi gusto kong may color siya, and now I am reading Solo Leveling chapter 22 na ako sa Solo Leveling guys. I don't know if and yes, may color siya. Binenta ko yung Clara ko because I wanted something na may color at the same time may page button. This what really makes me go for it, the physical buttons. Pero ito siya guys. Kaso wala akong tulog, so it's either mag-play ako ng pickleball or matutulog mamaya. It's 5 na, 5 yung booking namin doon. Late kami, but it's okay kasi makikisakay lang naman kami. See you there, kapamilya. Bye!
Kusog kayo, away. Oh. Gani so out. Appear mo. Oh, sama. Ngano maka Bakit magtalon-talon lang? Out! Wrong house man to pero gitira man. Sige, padayon. Ay! Appear mo. Kay naka-points mo. In. Ay! 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 Lulu!
Dramong table guys and maraming food there kasi dito kami dinner.
Hi vlog.
Hello. Say hi. Hi. Ano dapong? Dito dalawa mo. I-rage bait na mong kalaban.
Okay, 2-0.
2-0. Let's go. Boy, panasa kong face.
2-0. Sir. 3-0. Sir.
Oy! Team Deca versus Team Alabelt.
4-0. Sir.
Away!
5-0.
Ay!
Sir.
5-1. Oh. 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 Yeah, nice game. Hey!
Oh, yes!
Oh, yes!
5-2.
Oh, kuyawa, ay! Let's go! Let's go, Team Ramos!
Nag-order na kayo siya. Patin. Okay.
So, nagkakaon na sila dira. Let's go. Ay!
5-2.
Out!
So, hi guys! Kakatapos namin ng pickleball. Sorry din ako nakapag-intro doon or like nakapag-outro man lang. Kasi sobrang pagod na ako guys. Like, sobrang sakit ng katawan ko. Kasi naman, bakit parang laro ng laro? Parang gustong laruin lahat ng laro. Anyway. Right now, I am currently at my working table kasi the time is running and kailangan ko nang mag-work. But, bago ako mag-work, bibili muna ako ng 2 coffee. Sa Oval lang kasi may stall ako doon na nasasarapan ako sa kanilang Spanish latte nila. Merong parang DIY whipped cream. I will work until tomorrow morning and bukas Saturday. So, wala nang work, makakapaglaro na ng Palaran. And I am thinking of doing a weekly vlog, a week in my life, parang ganun. But naisip ko sobrang boring kasi nga yung routine ko everyday, pagkatapos mag-work, gagawa ng chores, pagkatapos magbabasa, matutulog, pagkagising, bababasa if may time, and then chores if may time, and then work na naman, and then repeat. So, ganun lang yung routine ko, guys. Actually, alis na ako. Baka ma-close na yung bibilhan ko ng coffee. Hey guys, I just got home and I have these. So I think that's it for today's vlog. I think this is just a short comeback vlog because I really don't know what to film, you guys. So you need to help me, okay? Comment down below. And abangan, meron tayong travel vlog soon. That's it for today's vlog. I hope you like this video. And if you do, please don't forget to click the like, share, comment, and subscribe. And see you on my next one. Bye!